Hello, I'm Dr. Kim Gukhayan, board certified plastic surgeon at Human Plastic Surgery. You're afraid of surgery, but still want a fuller chest. Today let's talk in detail about ways to make the breasts larger. You may have seen countless ads claiming to enlarge the breasts without surgery, using vibration devices, massagers, acupuncture, herbal medicine, or supplements. However, these usually only cause temporary swelling or mild inflammation. They don't actually increase breast tissue volume, and none have been scientifically proven to be effective. Some ads claim that exercise can make the breasts bigger, but in reality, while exercise can increase muscle mass, it doesn't enlarge glandular or fatty tissue. So if you want real breast enlargement, surgical methods should be considered first. Fat grafting feels natural and doesn't cause foreign body sensation. It involves taking fat from unwanted areas of your body, processing it, and transferring it to the breast area to increase volume. However, there's a limit to how much volume can be achieved. High-volume grafting can result in calcifications or cyst formation, which is why it isn't recommended. Another drawback is that if a complication occurs, it's difficult to completely remove the grafted fat since it integrates with your own tissue. A safe surgery should always allow for complete removal if necessary. For the same reason, I don't recommend using fillers for breast enlargement. Even so-called dissolving fillers have been found to remain in the body. When injected in large amounts, they can form capsules that block them from breaking down properly. You might also hear claims that certain foods, like soy milk or strawberry milk, can increase breast size, while good nutrition helps maintain healthy breast tissue. No food has been scientifically proven to enlarge breasts in adults after growth has stopped. Better nutrition may slightly increase body fat and overall volume, but expecting a visible cup size increase through diet alone isn't realistic.
Why do people say things like strawberry milk makes your breasts bigger?
That likely comes from the fact that milk affects glandular tissue, but scientifically, there's no meaningful effect. So yes, in the end, genetics play a huge role. If you want an increase of 2 cup sizes or more, the most reliable method is using silicone implants. In some cases, a breast lift may be added for better shape and balance. While non-surgical methods exist, they have clear limits in how much size can increase, and implants offer the most realistic and aesthetic results. You might have heard about Brava, a suction-based device developed in the US. It wasn't originally designed for enlargement itself. Instead, it helps stretch the skin before surgery, making room for implants or improving fat graft take. So it's more of a preparation step, not a replacement for surgery.
So why do all these non-surgical breast enlargement ads keep appearing?
Because if such a method truly worked, it would be ideal. And there's high consumer demand. That's why you see so many creams, supplements, or massage tools being marketed with exaggerated claims. These products might cause temporary swelling or a firmer feeling, creating false expectations. Also, since they're not classified as medical devices, regulations are looser, and ads often overstate their effects. So you shouldn't trust claims that breasts can grow significantly without surgery.
Then, what if you're scared of surgery?
That's understandable. Being told surgery is the only option can sound intimidating. But breast implant technology has advanced tremendously. Thanks to these improvements, surgeries today are safer, faster, and less painful, with fewer complications than before. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But if you truly want a fuller chest, breast augmentation with silicone implants remains the safest and most effective method, even for breast health. A surgical approach performed by an experienced professional is the most recommended option. It's normal to feel nervous or to be tempted by non-surgical ads, but I must emphasize, these quick fixes or unproven treatments can harm your breast health and cause bigger problems later. The best way is to get it done safely, correctly, and under proper medical supervision. If you have any questions, make sure to get a detailed consultation at a reputable clinic and achieve a healthy, satisfying result. Thank you.